So let's discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 400, which is count days without meetings. So we are given a positive integer days representing the total number of days and employees available for work. You are also given a 2D array meetings of size n, where meeting size means start I, comma end I, represent the starting and ending days of a meeting I. Okay. Run the count of days when the meeting is available for work but no meetings are scheduled. Okay, the meetings may overlap. So let's take one example 10, this example only. Let's copy this. Let me paste it here. Uh, this here. So this means that, so this problem is nothing but we have to mark the this meeting intervals. So the employee is busy in 5 to 7, the employee is busy in 1 to 3, the employee is busy in 9 to 10. Now after seeing this example you might think that we can add the differences, right? So here the employee is busy in 3 days, 5 6 7, so we add 3, 1 to 3, the employee is busy in 3 days, so it is 3, 9 to 10 the employee is busy in 2 days, so it is 2. So total employees busy in 8 days. So the answer is 10 minus I think 8, which is 2. Okay, and the solution will work. But when the meetings overlap, let's say we are taking the second case, days equals to 5. In this case, uh, the meetings are overlapping, right? The meetings are overlapping. So if we take 2 4 and 1 3, here the employee is in 3 days and here employee is in 3 days, so total, this, if we take the sum, then it is 6, so which is greater than 5. So it is not possible because uh, there is overlap between these two meetings. So this problem is nothing but we have to mark the intervals 1 3 and 2 4, and after merging the interval will be 1 to 4, so the employee is within 4 days, so the answer is 1. Okay, I hope you get it. Now merge interval is a well known problem. I am not going to that, but there are some easier solution than that. So how we can solve that? What is the brute force solution? First let's discuss about that. The brute force solution will be obviously to let's say we are taking some visited array, and visited array of size days, and for every uh, meeting we are marking from 5 to 7 all the days are visited. Okay, from 1 to 3 all the days are visited, from 9 to 10 all the days are visited, and after that we will iterate over the visited array, and we will see that which days are not visited. So the time complexity is I think order of d, the space complexity will be also order of d plus for every meeting n, and we are doing the order of n into d approach kind of. So it is, the time complexity is order of n into d and space complexity is order of d. So let's check what is the value of d. The value of d is nothing but 10 to the power 9, so it is definitely not possible. So let's not go into this approach. Now what could be the better solution? Better solution could be the same solution we used for merge intervals when we are sorting the intervals range, but I have done something else. Okay, so I have done something scan line algorithm, right? You all know about scan line algorithm. Let's say when we are doing L, we have something like L comma R. We add the L comma 0 in the array and R comma 1 in the array. Okay, after that we'll sort this these values. Okay, after that we will sort these values. Okay, L comma 0 comma R comma 1 values. So when we are encountering something L, we'll, let's take one example, you will understand it better. Let's say 2413, so we'll add 1 comma 0 in the array. We'll add 3 comma 1, we'll add 2 comma 0, and we'll add 4 comma 1. We'll add 4 comma 1. Now we'll sort this thing. We'll sort this thing based on the first value. Okay, so we'll have 1 0, 2 0, 3 1, and 4 1. So when we are encountering one left value, left, how we can identify something is left? By it, if it is 0, then we can identify it is left. So if this is left, then we'll push it into a stack. So I am maintaining one stack. So when it is left, we are pushing it into the stack. Then again it is 2, we are pushing it into the stack again. So when it is 3, when it is some right value, we are popping one element from the stack. We are popping one element from the stack, but we are not adding something until the stack is empty. The stack is now not empty, so we will not add anything. Now when we are at 4, okay, when we are at 4, we'll remove 1 from here. Now the stack is empty, so we'll add 4 minus 1 plus 1 here, so we'll add 4 here. I hope you get it. Why we are doing this? Because the intervals may overlap, so you can say that we can add 3 minus 2 plus 1 here, but when we are adding 4 minus 1 plus 1, this 3 minus 2 interval is included in that. So that's why when only the stack is empty, that means the entire range is covered, then only we can add this value. So let's take this example. Let's take something else. So let's say 1 to 4, and let's say 6 to 7, let's say 6 to 8 and 7 to 9, okay, like that. So after sorting this, it will be 1 comma 0, 4 comma 1, this 6 comma 0, 7 comma 0, 8 comma 0, sorry, 6 comma 0, 7 comma 0, 8 comma 1 and 9 comma 1. So initially in the stack we'll be maintaining what, we'll be pushing 1, right? Let's say we are pushing 1. Let's take another color. So let's say we are pushing 1. So when we are 4, we'll remove 1. Now the stack is empty, right? So there are no intervals which is outside of this interval. So we'll add 4 minus 1 plus 1 here. Now we'll push 6 here. Now we'll push 7 here. Now when we are adding, when 8 is there, we'll pop the 7 from here. But here we are not adding the 8 minus 7 interval, because it is included in the 6 to 9 interval. So that's why we'll jump to the next element. Now when we are at 9, we'll pop the 6 here, and we'll add 9 minus 6 plus 1 here. I hope you get it. Now let's jump into the code. The time complexity is order of n, and sorry, order of n into log n, because we are sorting the array. Okay, so we are pushing back meeting l comma 0 and r comma 1. Okay, now if it is 0, we are pushing that into the stack. Now if it is right, if it is something right, we are storing val as stack top element of the stack, and we are popping that element from the stack. Now if stack is empty, we are adding this ai0 minus val plus 1. Okay, at the end we are returning days minus answer. Answer means that the number of days the current employee is working, so the number of days the current employee is not working will be days minus answer. So I think this explanation code is clear to you. If you still have any doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. I'll also provide the link of the code in the description box. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also share among your peers.